Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tips Simplified, where we break down tech and finance processes to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to delete a Wealthfront account. Maybe you're switching to another investment app, decluttering your digital life, or just reevaluating your finances. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you through this step by step. It's a straightforward process, but always double check to avoid any surprises. First things first. Log into your Wealthfront account using your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the Forgot Password option or contact Wealthfront support to regain access. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard and look for your profile icon or settings menu, usually in the top right corner. Click on that to open the settings page. In the settings section, scroll down until you find Account Management or Account Settings. Here, you should see an option labeled something like Close Account or Delete Account. Click on it to proceed. Wealthfront prioritizes security, so they might ask you to verify your identity at this point. Expect a code sent to your email or phone. Enter that code to continue. Before you hit the final Confirm button, take a moment to read any warnings. Deleting your account could mean losing access to your transaction history, portfolio data, and any linked features, so make sure you've withdrawn any funds or exported important information first. Once you're ready, confirm the deletion, and Wealthfront will process your request. It might take a few business days for the account to be fully closed. And there you have it. That's how you delete your Wealthfront account. If you encounter any issues, reach out to their customer support for assistance. Remember, this is a permanent step, so proceed with caution. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick finance and tech guides. See you in the next one.